Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Instagram account. Let's go ahead and open the Instagram app, then go to your profile, then go to the upper right corner menu, then go to settings please. Now that you are on settings, you will need to tap where it says help. Alright, now that we are in these three options, we're gonna tap on help center. That will open another window. Let's wait until this is completely loaded, because that will bring us in another page. Alright, then let's go ahead and tap what it says managing your account, the second option. Alright, cool. But right now you can see that it's in Spanish. Don't worry, you will select the second option where it says delete account. Let's tap on that. Alright, now we are where it says delete account. I'm gonna select the second question where it says where do I delete my Instagram account. That will open up. That's basically a drop down menu. Then we're going ahead and scroll down where it says delete the account, which is the number one option. Tap on that. Alright, let's wait. Then you will see that it says why you would like to delete your account. In this case, I'll select my desired options. In this case, I created a new one, but you can select the best that is for you. Then after that, you will be asked your password, of course. So right now I'm typing my password. Once you complete, you confirm, and right now you have successfully deleted your Instagram account. They are sorry for that, but if you need it, you need it. Bye.